have P. P for parrot. Can you say P? Can you say parrot? Very good. P for parrot. Let's spell it. P-A-R-R-O-T. Let's do the letter sound. Pa, 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 pa. P for parrot. You say it too. Very